Hi there. We use mathematics to solve real-life problems. Maths is like a toolbox containing many tools. These tools may include addition, multiplication, equations, and so on. A wonderful tool that has remained very relevant in the world of maths is the quadratic expression. Many real-life systems can be described using quadratic expressions. For example, quadratic expressions are often used to describe the motion of things in the air. The military can use quadratic expressions and equations to determine where shells and missiles will land. Quadratic expressions and equations can be used sometimes in the calculation of the speed of a moving object. In sciences, engineers can use the quadratic expression in the design of some electrical systems, while astronomers use them to describe the orbit of galaxies and solar systems. The usefulness of the quadratic expression cannot be overemphasized. The quadratic expression is a mathematical expression which contains at least one variable which is raised to the power of 2. Basically, the highest index any variable will take in a quadratic expression is 2. The word quadratic is derived from the Latin quadratus, which means made square. Now let's see how to identify quadratic expressions. Quadratic expressions usually take the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is the quadratic coefficient and b is the linear coefficient. C is a constant. Quadratic expressions can contain two or more variables that are raised to the power of 2, but the highest power must be 2. For example, x squared plus y squared minus 3 is a quadratic expression. A quadratic expression may also contain a product term resulting from the multiplication of two variables, for example, x, y, and ab. So an expression like x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is a quadratic expression, but x cubed plus x squared minus 5 is not a quadratic expression. We have learned the importance of quadratic expressions. In subsequent lessons, we will learn how to factorize quadratic expressions. In the meantime, don't stop having fun and don't stop practicing.